Transforming any image into an SVG or a vector file has never been easier or more profitable than it is right now. For example, this Etsy listing of a custom dog photo where the photo from the customer was transformed into an SVG file and then printed onto the sweatshirt is already estimated to be bringing in over $30,000 in revenue a month, according to my Everbee Chrome extension, even though the listing is only 2 months old. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform any image or photo into an SVG file with just a few clicks that can then be used for a Cricut machine for projects or as a sublimation design that can be printed onto merchandise for print on demand.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. I am a wife and mama of 2 amazing kiddos, a full-time Etsy seller, now Etsy print on demand coach, here to give you all the tips and tricks to help you to be successful on your own Etsy print on demand journey. Make sure to check out below. I have a free Etsy print on demand starter guide, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
We're going to start by signing up for Kittle, which is a design software that I use for my own small business. I do have a referral link in the description box below if you want to follow along and create your very first SVG file. Once you've signed up for Kittle, then go to create new project, and then I am personally creating this for a print on demand design for merchandise, so I'm going to go to the POD presets, and then I use Printify, so I'm going to select Printify t-shirt and then create, and then I'm going to select uploads. And this is where you can upload a custom photo. So once I have the photo downloaded to my device that I want to use, I would just select upload photo and then choose the photo that I want to use. And then I will choose the photo that I want to transform. Select the photo. If you need to remove the background, you can go ahead and select here, and that will instantly remove any background that could be on the photo if you want to isolate the image of the pet or the person. And now I'm ready to vectorize my image. So I simply select Image Vectorizer, and then you can choose how many colors you want to use. Typically people just choose one color, so I'll select that here. And then that image has been transformed into a vector file. If I want to change the vector color, it's very easy. I just select the object color there, and then I can change it to white, for example, or red, pink, anything that I would like. Now, something that is really cool that you can do in Kittle that I haven't seen on other softwares is that you can actually create a layer design. So for example, if this was going to be used for a Cricut file, you could actually create a layered image here. So I simply go back to Image Vectorizer, and then I can select how many different colors I would like. I'm going to try 8. And then vectorize image. And then I have this really cool, almost sort of like a watercolor image, but it's actually a vector image that you could even cut with a Cricut. And you can even go in and once again change those two different colors. For example, if I wanted this to be more of a pink palette, I could do something like this. Creating a custom layered SVG is not something that I've really seen anyone else do on Etsy, so it would be a really easy and quick way to add new value to this niche. And then once you're happy with your design and you're ready to save it, don't forget to name your project up here, and then you're ready to save this design to your device. I just select the download option. It's already in 300 dpi, which is perfect. And then I'm going to save this with no background. I don't want any kind of white background. And then I'm going to save this as a PNG file. And then I'm saving this as a PNG file because I personally will be using this for a print on demand product. However, if you were creating this for a Cricut, you would want to save it as an SVG file. A lot of crafters aren't aware of this, but you can actually utilize print on demand companies to print and ship your merchandise for you, so you never have to worry about maintaining and organizing inventory or running to the post office. This frees up your time to scale your business or just spend more time with your family. And it's 100% allowed on platforms like Etsy. In fact, I was able to create a multiple 6-figure Etsy business using print on demand myself. That allowed me to quit my job so I could work from home and spend more time with my 2 children. A lot of people are really surprised when I tell them I've never touched a Cricut before, even though I've sold thousands of shirts and sweatshirts. To get started, you can create a free account with Printify, the print on demand company that integrates with your Etsy account that I personally use. You can follow along in the referral link using the description box below. Then after you have synced Printify with your Etsy shop or whichever platform that you sell on, you can begin choosing products to publish to your shop. For this example, I'm going to use one of their bestsellers and one of my customers' favorite products, the Gildan 1800 sweatshirt. Then I'm going to select the unisex heavy blend crew neck sweatshirt, select start designing, and now I'm ready to upload that design from my device. And this is that custom layered SVG file that I created earlier. I can choose whether or not I want to make it a large design like this or a pocket design like this. And if I want to add custom text, I could do that in a Canva template or in a Kittle template, or I could go ahead and select add design here. And then I'm going to type in a name for the dog like Stella. And I can change the font. And now I have further customized my design. And then I can preview this design. I can also select different apparel colors. Just go to colors and select and add in your favorite colors that you'd like. And then when you're ready, select save product, and then you can publish that to your Etsy shop. And just like that, you're an SVG and Print on Demand Pro. If you found this video helpful, type SVG Pro below. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Up next is a video about how to turn any photo or image into minimalist line art. Another style that has absolutely taken Etsy by storm in the custom gift niche. See you all there.